Hello everyone, welcome to SPMIS Academy. Here we are with another episode of Assampedia. So first let us start with the questions that we gave in the last episode. So the first question was Ohomia Bhasha Unnoti Sathini Sabha was established in the year. The correct option is option B, that is 1888. Question number 2 was Junaki magazine was first published in the year. Correct option is option C, that is 1889. Question number 3 was who was the first editor of Junaki magazine, and the correct option is option A, that is Chandra Kumar Agarwala. Question number 4 was what is the first Assamese romantic poem, and the correct option is option A, that is Bon Kuwari. Question number 5, Protima, a compilation of Assamese poetry is by, and the correct option is option C, that is Chandra Kumar Agarwala. Question number 6, the first Assamese sonnet Priyotomar City is written by. Now I want to make a correction here, some of you have pointed out in the comment section in the last episode, je yate jun keta option ase tate correct option to nai. Yes, you are exactly correct. You are correct that yate jonto correct option hobo lagisile he correct option to yate nai. Gotike Priyotomar City writer hoy Hemchandra Goswami, right? Gotike yate option to nai. None of these options are correct. Correct option to hobo lagisile Hemchandra Goswami. Now next question was who of the following used the pen name Kripabor Borborua, and the correct option is C, Lakshminath Bejborua. Mur Jibon Huwaron is an autobiography of, again, Lakshminath Bejborua. Question number 9, O Mor Apunar Dekh was first published in, correct option is B, that means Bahi. Question number 10 was Ambika Giri Roy Chaudhuri was awarded Sahitya Academy for his book, correct option is C, Bedonar Ulka. Question number 11 was who is the first Assamese to win Sahitya Academy, the correct option is C, that is Jotindranath Duara. Question number 12, Olokananda, a compilation of Assamese poems is by, correct option is D, that is Nolinibala Devi. Question number 13 is the first Assamese novel is, correct option is A, that is Bhanumati. Question number 14, who was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha, again option A, Padmanath Gohai Borua. And last question, question number 15 was the author of the comic play Litikai is, and the correct option is C, that means Lakshminath Bejborua. So these were the answer of the questions that I gave in the last episode. Now in today's episode we will discuss about the culture of Assam. Ami ajir episode tut ami Ohomor culture bishoye sam, right? Ohomor jonto beleg tribe ase, teolukor kenekua festival ase, teolukor ki teolukor kenekua custom ase, kenekua teolukor religion to kenekua tar bishoye kichu kotha ami alochona korim. Kintu ami amar method to ami amar poddhoti to kichu holoni korim. Ajir episode ami ki korim, we will discuss some MCQs related to the Assamese culture. Ohomor Sanskritiৰ লগত জড়িত কিছুমান multiple choice questions ami discuss korim aru hei questions bilakor through hei questions bilakor জৰিয়তে ami hei tribe bilakor লগত জড়িত কিছু তথ্য আমি আজি পঢ়িবলে আমি চেষ্টা কৰিম, right? জানিবলে আমি চেষ্টা কৰিম. So with that in mind, let us start today's episode of Assampedia. Now the first question is Aliyai Ligang is an agri-based festival celebrated by, your options are the Boro, the Khasis, the Missing, or the Nagas. And here the correct option is option C, that means the Missing. Aliyai Ligang is celebrated by the Missing people. Now let us see some of the more facts about Aliyai Ligang and about the Missing people. So Aliyai Ligang is celebrated on the first Wednesday of the Fagun month, which is locally called Gimur Polo. A Aliyai Ligang tuk juntu udjapon kora hoy Fagun mahot udjapon kora hoy aru e Fagun mah tuk locally Gimur Polo buliu koa hoy. Ketiaba ke mahtur kothao ahibo pare. Yate teoluke jonto dance perform kore, or the dance form which is associated with the Missing tribe, he dance form to koa hoy Gumrag. Gumrag Soman ya Gumrag a dance form. This dance form is associated with the missing people. Aru teolukor jontu folk song ase, teolukor jontu gan ase, ta koa hoy oinitom. So oinitom is associated with the missing people. Now the rice beer that these people used, missing hokole jontu rice beer use kore, ta koa hoy apong. Right, you see these rice beers are associated with different types, different names are given to these different rice beers, and these rice beers play a very important role in the tribal culture. Gotike a rice beer or uporotu ketiaba questions ahibo pare, gotike tar karone ami jani thua tu dorkar. So apong, it is the rice beer of the missing people. Apongor duta main variety ase, one is called nogin and one is called Poro. Aliyai Ligangor uporiu aru eta important festival missing hokolor hoy, hetu hoise Porag. It is a post harvesting festival and it is also known as Nora Singa Bihu. To missing hokolor ei je Porag festival tu ase, hetu Nora Singa Bihu buliu koa hoy. Now the next question is, Madam Mephi festival is celebrated annually on. Your options are 31st January, 31st July, 31st August or 31st December. The correct option is option A, that means 31st January. Now age Madam Mephi buli juntu koi, as you know, this festival is celebrated by the Ahom community. Ahom hokolor festival hoy a Madam Mephi, and this is an ancestor worship communal festival, right? So a Madam Mephi, me mane hoise offerings, dam mane hoise ancestors, fi mane hoise God. Ahom hokole ki বিশ্বাস কৰে যে তেওঁলোকৰ পূৰ্বপুৰুষসকল বা যোনবিলাক ancestors আছিল মৃত্যুৰ কিছু সময়ৰ পিছত, after their death, after some time they merged with the gods, right? গটিকে সেই ancestor সকলক এই Madam Mephi তেওঁলোকে কিছু offerings তেওঁলোকে কৰে, right? So this Madam Mephi is basically a festival of ancestor worship. Etia ami Ahom community বিষয়ে আৰু দুই এটা কথা আমি এইখিনতে চাই লওঁ। আহোম সকলৰ যোনটো বিয়া হয় বা তেওঁলোকৰ যোনটো wedding তাক কোৱা হয় Soklong, right? You must have heard about this term. So Soklong is the Ahom wedding. Teoluke junkan torual use korisil ba teolukor junkan main weapon hoy, that is called hangdan, and the rice beer of the Ahom people is called Haj or Haj. Right, this is the rice beer of the Ahom community. Jeneke missing hokolor apong te he thik hedore Ahom hokolor juntu rice beer ase te tak koa hoy Haj, right? So this is basically about this Ahom community. Now the next question is, which one is correct about the Murung festival? Option A, it is a harvest festival celebrated by Karbi people. It is a music and dance festival celebrated by Ahom people. It is a festival of property celebrated by Apatani people, or none of the above. And the correct option is option C, that is, it is a festival of property celebrated by the Apatani people. So this is a picture of a woman belonging to this Apatani tribe. এই যে মুৰুং ফেষ্টিভেল টু আছে হেতু মুৰুং পিলো মাহত হয়, right? So it is celebrated in the month of January, or which is called মুৰুং পিলো. হেতু কারণে এই ফেষ্টিভেলটো মুৰুং ফেষ্টিভেল বুলি কোৱা হয়। এতিয়া আপাটানি ট্ৰাইবৰ এই মুৰুং ফেষ্টিভেলৰ বাহিৰেও আন যোন দুটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট বা পপুলাৰ ফেষ্টিভেল আছে, সেই দুটাৰ এটা হৈছে ড্ৰি ফেষ্টিভেল আৰু এটা হৈছে মিয়কো ফেষ্টিভেল। সো সামটাইমস ইয়াতে যেনেকে মুৰুং ফেষ্টিভেলৰ কথা কোৱা হৈছে, সিমিলাৰলি ড্ৰি ফেষ্টিভেল বা মিয়কো ফেষ্টিভেলৰ বিষয়েও সুধিব পাৰে। Right? So Dri festival and Miyoko festival are also celebrated by this Apatani tribe. Next question is, Bukuni Patani is a traditional costume of which tribe? Your options are Ahom, Kus Rajbangshi, Sonwal Kosari or Karbi. And the correct option is option B, that means Kus Rajbangshi. Gotike ei photo khonot ei junkhon kapur pindhise, he kapur khonok koa hoy Patani ba Bukuni Patani. Right? এইখিনিতে আমি আহোম আৰু কাৰ্বি সকলৰো তেওঁলোকৰ যোনটো কস্টিউম আছে তাৰ বিষয়ে আমি দুই এটা তথ্য আমি ইয়াতে চাই লওঁ। Now when it comes to the Ahom people, Ahom mohila hokole juntu to main costume teolukor juntu ase, to teolukor tare bhitor ase suti sula, mekhela and riha. To teolukoi uporot juntu pinde upper garment juntu hoy hetu koa hoy suti sula, tar pisote eikhon holse mekhela aru teoluke ei junkhon gat loise tak koa hoy riha. Right, so main costume ei tinta bostu dekhiboloi poa jay suti sula, mekhela aru riha. ঠিক হইদৰে আমি যদি আহোম মেন তেওলুকৰ কস্টিউমটো চাও পুৰুষসকলৰ কস্টিউমটো চাও দেন তাতে আমি পাও সাপকন দেন বাসুৱাল টঙালি সুৰিয়া এন্ড সেলেং ৰাইট তো এইটো কোৱা হয় সাপকন তাৰ পিছত এইটো সুৰিয়া আৰু এইখন আপোনাৰ সেলেং ৰাইট সিমিলাৰলি আমি যদি কাৰ্বি সকলৰ কস্টিউমটো চাও তেনেহলে কাৰ্বি মেন পুৰুষ সকলৰ যোনটো কস্টিউম আছে তাতে এই যোনটো জ্যাকেট তেওঁলোকে পৰিধান কৰে তাক কোৱা হয় ছয় হান্থৰ বা ছয় আপং ইট ইজ আ ওয়ার্ম জ্যাকেট দেন পোহো ইজ দা টারবান পাগুৰি যোনটো মাৰে তাক কোৱা হয় পোহো জাম্বৰং ইজ দা ট্ৰেডিশনাল বেগ ইউজড বাই দিস কাৰ্বি পিপল ৰাইট তেওঁলোকে এটা ট্ৰেডিশনাল বেগ তেওঁলোকে লয় ইউ ক্যান সি এই বেগ এটা তেখেতে লৈ আছে সেই বেগটো কোৱা হয় জাম্বৰং right and then they use another attire that is called rikong etia jodi ami karbi mohila hokolor bikhoye sao karbi womenor bikhoye sao then their costumes include peacock that is the upper garment ei junkhon uporot meriai thua ase then pinicamflak that is lower garment etu waist or pora knee loike juntu pindhe that is called pinicamflak or aru teoluke ekhon scarf use kore jak koa hoy dokherso right so this is about the costume of the Ahom and Karbi people. Now the next question is the main deity of Rabhas is called options are Aditi, Bhaga, Vasurka or Rishi and the correct option is option D that is Rishi. Etia ei junto Rabha hokolor main deity ase Rishi he is also known as Mahakal. তো কেতিয়াবা ঋষি বুলিও কোৱা হয় কেতিয়াবা মহাকাল বুলিও কোৱা হয় এইখিনতে আমি যদি বাকি কিছুমান ট্ৰাইবৰ মেইন ডেইটি বিলাক চাও তেনেহলে বড়ো সকলৰ মেইন ডেইটি হৈছে বাথৌব্ৰাই বা বাথৌ বুলিও কোৱা হয় তেওঁলোকৰ যোনটো ধৰ্ম আছে হেতু বাথৌইজম বুলিও তেওঁলোকে কয় দেন দেউৰী সকলৰ যোনটো মেইন ডেইটি আছে তেওঁ কোৱা হয় কুণ্ডি মামা. Then Shibrai is the main deity of the Dimasa Kosaris and Donye Polo is the main deity of the Mising. Right? Jeneke Rishiba Mahakal is the main deity of the Rabhas. Then Batho is the main deity of Boro. Kundi Mama is the main deity of the Deuris. Shibrai is the main deity of Dimasa Kosari and Donye Polo is the main deity of the Misings. Question number 6. The Karbis are a patrilineal society composed of dash major clans or kur. Your options are 3, 4, 5 or 6. Mane Karbis hokolor main keita clan ase. Right? And the correct option is option C that means 5 clans. So ei 5 ta ki clan ase Karbi hokolor hei keta hoise Ingti, Terang, Inghi, Teron and Timung. আৰু এই ক্ল্যান কেটাৰ বহুত আৰু সাবসেক্ট আছে ৰাইট এই পাঁচটা মেইন ক্ল্যান হয় তাৰে আৰু বহুত সাবসেক্ট দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায় বাট এই পাঁচটা হৈছে মেইন ক্ল্যান কাৰ্বি সকলৰ নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চন ইজ Peng Karkli is a traditional festival celebrated by your options are Tiwa, Mes, Rabha or Karbi. And the correct option is option D that means Karbi. So a Peng Karkli this is celebrated by the Karbis. এইখিনিতে আমি আন কিছুমান ট্ৰাইবৰ যদি মেইন ফেষ্টিভেল বিলাক চাও তেনেহলে কাৰ্বি সকলে এই পেং কাৰ্কলিৰ উপৰিও ৰংকাৰ ফেষ্টিভেল যোনটো আছে দ্যাট ইজ ওয়ান অফ দ্য most popular festival among the Karbis. In fact in Assam jiman tribe আছে তাৰ ভিতৰত এই ৰংকাৰ ফেষ্টিভেল যোনটো আছে it is celebrated by the Karbis. Then Dimasa hokolor main festival hoise Busu. Busu Dima buliu koa hoy ba okol Busu buliu ahibo pare. This is celebrated by the Dimasas. Thik heidore Rabha hokolor main festival hoise Baikho festival. Baikho festival is celebrated by the Rabhas and Lai Haraoba this festival is celebrated by the Manipuris, right? So eketa ketaman important festivals celebrated by different tribes in Assam. Next, Jambili Athon is an extraordinary woodcraft of which tribe? Jambili Athon to ei sarita tribe or bitorot kuntu tribe banai? Karbi, Dimasa, Tea tribe, or none of the above? And the correct option is option A, that is Karbi. So Jambili Athon hoise eito. যে এই যে তেওঁলোকে এই উডক্ৰাফটটো আমি দেখিবলৈ পাইছো কাঠেৰে এটো জন্তু বনাইছে ইয়াক কোৱা হয় জাম্বিলি আথন আৰু এটো কাৰ্বি সকলৰ এটা উডক্ৰাফট হয় সো this symbolizes pride and cultural identity and it consists of a central axis as you can see adal central axis থাকে মানে adal main axis থাকে central axis and a whorl of 4 branches তাতে চাৰিটা এনেকুৱা ব্ৰাঞ্চ থাকে and all with beautiful carvings on it and the apices are perched with different species of birds. So adal central axis thakibo sarita branch thakibo aru gutei ketate erada beleg species or sorai dekhiboloi poa jay. So this woodcraft is called Jambili Athon and it is made by the Karbi people. Next question is, in which of the following districts Junbil Mela is held every year? Your options are Kamrup, Nagaon, Morigaon or Karbi Anglong. And the correct option is C, that means Junbil Mela. Now, এই যে Junbil Mela to ase, this Mela is a 3 days fair, 3 din sole Mela khon and held in the month of Magh at Doyang Belguri, Junbil, Morigaon. So Morigaon যোনখিনি জেগাত এই জুনবিল মেলাটো হয় সেই জেগাখিনি হল দয়াং বেলগুৰি right and this Junbil Mela was initially organized by the Tiwa community Tiwa ba jak lalung buliu koa hoy so ei Junbil Mela khon originally ei Tiwa hokole organize korisile এই মেলাখনত কি হয় যে এতিয়াও এই যোনবিলাক জনজাতীয় মানুহ আছে তেওঁলোকে নিজৰ যোনবিলাক বস্তু তেওঁলোকে নিজৰ খেতিৰ হওক বা নিজৰ যোনবিলাক কমোডিটিজ তেওঁলোকে লৈ আহে আৰু ইয়াতে বাৰ্টাৰ সিস্টেমত তেওঁলোকে হেবিলাক এক্সচেঞ্জ কৰে ৰাইট সো দে এক্সচেঞ্জ দ্য কমোডিটিজ ইয়াতে বাৰ্টাৰ সিস্টেমত তেওঁলোকে ট্ৰেড কৰে এই জুনবিল মেলাত আৰু ইয়াৰে লগত প্ৰথমতে এই জুনবিল মেলাখন আৰম্ভ হোৱাৰ আগতে অগ্নি পূজা কৰা হয় right aru ei Junbil Mela khonote jun Gobha king he collects the taxes mane heikhini samoyot Tiwa community junkhini jagat asile ma etia ei Junbil Mela khon junkhini jagat hoy tare dati kahoria oncholot jot ei Tiwa hokol ba lalu hokolor jot bohoti asile jot teolok asile hei principality mainly তাক কোৱা হৈছিল গোভা আৰু সেই গোভাৰ ৰজাজনে ট্ৰেডিশনালি সেই জুনবিল মেলাৰ সময়তে তেওঁ আহি পেলাই সেই ট্যাক্স কালেক্ট কৰে এই জুনবিলাক সেইখিনি সময়ত মেলাত পাৰ্টিসিপেট কৰিবলৈ আহে তেওঁলোকৰ পৰা ট্যাক্স কালেক্ট কৰে গতিকে সেই কাস্টমটো আজিও আছে আজিও হেতু কোৱা হয় অলদো এই ট্যাক্স কালেক্ট কৰাটো ইজ জাস্ট আ ফৰ্মেলিটি তেনেকুৱা কোনো ধৰা বন্ধা ট্যাক্স নাই এটা টোকেন এমাউন্ট এটা তেওঁলোকে দি পেলাই সেই কাস্টমটো তেওঁলোকে আজিও বৰ্তাই ৰাখিছে আজিও হেতু কন্টিনিউ কৰিছে ৰাইট সো এই যে কাস্টমটো আছে গোভা কিং আহি পেলাই ট্যাক্স কালেক্ট কৰে সেই কাস্টমটো এই জুনবিল মেলাৰ লগত জড়িত Next question is Wangala, one of the harvest festival is celebrated by Bodo people, Garo people, Sonowal Kosari people or Jaintia people and the correct option is B that means Garo people to A2 hoise a photo kon hoise Wangala festival or photo so as you can see these people were playing drums here right and this festival is also known as Festival of the 100 Drums ehota drum bojua hoy yate aru sei karone this festival is known as Festival of the 100 Drums now it is a post harvest festival and during this festival they give thanks to Misi Saljong that means the sun god right so please remember this Wangala festival is also known as the Festival of 100 Drums Question number 11. Loho Lahai and Lali Hilalilai are the two types of traditional songs of Tiwa, Mes, Rabha or Karbi, and the correct option is A, that means Tiwa, right? So Loho Lahai is songs of the ceremony of name giving, wedding and harvesting, and Lali Hilalilai, these are the songs of the marriage ceremony, Karam and similar other festivals. Question number 12. Haidang is the traditional folk songs of Haidang songs. Haidang gan bila kuntu community logot jorito. Options are Tiwa, Bodo, Rabha or Sunwal Kosari, and the correct option is D, that means Sunwal Kosari. Gotike ei je teoluke jontu git poribekhon korise, this is known as Haidang song, which is associated with the Sunwal Kosari community. Now yate Sunwal Kosari hokolor jontu folk dance ase tar bikhoye ami jani thau that folk dance is known as Bohua dance. Teoluke eneke mukha pindhi ei dance poribekhon kore, Bohua nritya ba Bohua dance buli koa hoy, and this Bohua dance is a folk dance associated with the Sunwal Kosari tribe. Next question is, Deodhani dance is associated with the worship of option A, Manaka or Maroi, Saraswati, Lakshmi, option D, Durga or and Kali. So Deodhani nritya jontu ase, Deodhani nritya, it is associated with the worship of Monoka or Maroi, the snake god Monoka, right? So Monoka logot, Monoka devi logot jorito ei Deodhani nritya. So Deodhani nritya, right? Deo mane hol god, dhani mane hol je possessed women, jar dehot he spirit ba he atmai he spirite jar dehot mane probekh korise tak koa hoy dhani, right? So Deodhani basically a woman possessed by God, right? Jak shaman boli koa hoy, possessed woman jar dehot spirite bach korise. Now এই Deodhani nrityatot mainly these women participated, aru ketiaba ketiaba kisuman male shamanor kothao puwa jay, mane kisuman melu thake jar dekhote spirit to humai jay ba ei atma to humai jay, to hetu male shaman buli koa hoy. To teolukok ei male shaman bilakok deudhai ba jaki eibilak namere jona jay. Now এই Deodhani nrityor সময়ত, এই Deodhani nritয়টোৰ সময়ত যোনটো গীত পৰিবেশন কৰে ওজাপালি সকলে, সেই গীতটো কোৱা হয় হুখনি, right? So এই ওজাপালিটো অসমৰ এটা পুৰণা সংস্কৃতি, বৰ্তমান এই আমাৰ দৰং ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টত এতিয়াও এই ওজাপালিটো আমি দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ, right? So Deodhani nritয়ৰ সময়ত যোনবিলাক গান এই ওজাপালিয়ে পৰিবেশন কৰে তাক কোৱা হয় হুখনি বুলি. Question number 14. Bagrumba is performed by, options are Tiwa, Bodo, Rabha and Karbi, and the correct option is B, that means Bodo. Bagrumba, folk dance of the Bodo people, right? Question number 15. Who composed Jikir and Jari Geet in the Assamese language? It should be Geet, right? Jikir Ohomia Bhashat kune likhile? Your options are Ajan Fakir, Giyasuddin Aulia, Ali Mes or Ibn Bakhtiyar, and the correct option is A, that means Ajan Fakir. Ajan Fakire Ohomia Jikir likhile. So Ajan Fakir, he came to Assam from Ajmer. Ajan Fakir, he settled in Suaguri Sapori in Sivsagar. Ajan Fakirer jontu dorga ase, he dorga tu Shibosagarot ase, right? Suaguri Sapori in Sivsagar, and original name of Ajan Fakir was Shah Miran. এই শাহ মিরান যোন আজমেৰৰ পৰা আহিলে, শাহ মিরান বা শাহ মিলান বুলিও পিছলে কোৱা হয়। তো শাহ মিরান যোন আজমেৰৰ পৰা আহিলে, আহি পেলাই তেখেতে শিৱসাগৰৰ সুৱাগুৰি চাপৰিত সেটেল হল, আৰু তেখেতে এই অসমীয়া ভাষাত জিকিৰ তেওঁ কম্পোজ কৰিছিলে, right? So these are some of the questions, some of the MCQs related to the different tribes or related to the culture of Assam. Now এই 15টা MCQৰ ওপৰত বেছ কৰি আমি আন কিছুমান কথা আজি ডিসকাস কৰিলো আৰু সেই বাকি যোনখিনি কথা আমি ডিসকাস কৰিলো তাৰ ওপৰত বেছ কৰি let us see some practice questions, right? So you will have to give your answer in the comment section for the next 15 questions, right? 15 practice questions. Question number 1, which of the following festival is also known as Nora Singha Bihu, right? Question number 2, Oinitam is a folk song of the, your options are Mising Rabha, Boro or Karbi. Question number 3, which of the following statement is correct? Medam Mefi is a harvesting festival, Hangdang is an Ahom cuisine, Soklong is a folk song of the Ahoms, and option D, none of the above. Question number 4, Dri festival is celebrated by Karbi, Sonwal Kosari, Manipuris or Apatani tribe. Question number 5, Jamborong is a traditional bag used by Karbis, Dimasas, Rabhas or Kosaris. Question number 6, Doni Polo is the main deity of the Misings, Dimasa, Rabhas or Kosaris. Question number 7, Ronkar festival is celebrated by the Dimasa, Boro, Karbi or Manipuri. Question number 8, Lalong is another name of the Deuri, Tiwa, Dimasa or Kosari. The custom of Gobhaking collecting the tax is associated with Baikho Puja, Busu, Jonbil Mela or Ronkar. Question number 10, which festival is known as the festival of the 100 drums? Your options are Baikho Puja, Wangala, Jonbil Mela or Ronkar. Question number 11, Bohua dance is a folk dance of which tribe? Your options are Deuri, Tiwa, Dimasa or Sunwal Kosari. Question number 12, songs sung by Ojapali in Devdhani dance are known as Oinitam, Nam, Hukhoni, none of the above. Question number 13, Ajan Fakir came to Assam from Ajmer, Patna, Nasik or Indore. Question number 14, original name of Ajan Fakir was Alimes, Shah Miran, Giyasuddin Aulia or Bakhtiyar Khilji. Question number 15, Dargah of Ajan Fakir is located at, your options are Hajo, Guwahati, Tezpur, Shibosagar. I hope you will be able to answer these questions because all these things we have discussed in today's episode. So please give your answers in the comment section, and in the next episode we will come with some more MCQs related to different topics of Assam, right? Gotike, that's all for today. Thank you.